Welcome to Athletic Every Day, day number 26. Um, Today is a Thursday, and today was a little bit of a weird session. I still don't have any equipment, in the way of like barbells and stuff, so I couldn't do any, sort of Olympic lifting. So, I guess kind of to make up for the lackluster session I had yesterday, um, this workout, was just kind of I just worked on some different things. So I did some various different types of bounds, single leg bounds, lateral bounds, alternating bounds, things of that nature. I start off with some switches, just kind of warm up and warm up my hip flexors and stuff. And then after that, I finished up with some concentric focused, Nordic curls. So the first rep, I, do the eccentric lower down. And I pop up a little bit past where you normally would, doing, I think it's called, I forget exactly what it's called. It's the knees over toes guy Nordic, where you kind of use your hips to pop and just get the first part of it off the ground, um, which makes it a little bit easier. But I did that and I just push off a little bit with my hands. I did 3 sets of that, and I did some bounding, like I said earlier. Um, Today's session, I was actually sort of surprised with how it went. I was feeling better, I think in large, but um, yeah, like I had said in the last type of video, I wish I could do this in the morning, but I just don't think that's possible. With school and stuff like that. So yeah, the single leg bounds today, which I guess are the most demanding part of this training session, apart from the Nordics, they went pretty well. Um, I think it had something to do with me doing a very ankle stiffness type focused workout. And me doing those over time has gotten me to feel like I'm reacting quicker off the ground and I'm able to like produce force off of that one leg, which is promising. Uh, which I don't know really how much that translates. Um, I guess I'll have to see, but it feels right and it makes sense in my head that getting better at bounding it's going to make you at least faster or better form, or more powerful, more explosive, or a combination of some of those things. But yeah, so another variation I introduced was just like alternating bounds, which you're saying right now. I'm not sure how much I like them. They're just kind of weird. Um, but yeah, stupidly when I did these Nordics, I forgot to put the last bit of dumbbells on it, which was eights, which would have made just weighed the bed down more and made these less annoying to do because if you don't have enough weight on them, you see how the bed kind of like lifts up, and that kind of just like can mess with you because it's not really what you're expecting, I guess. But on the Nordics, I do have some goals for that. I think it's an interesting methodology, and you don't often see it where you can kind of just train the concentric one day and just the eccentric another day. Which is interesting because I think I remember reading the eccentric has most of the muscle damage. Um, so if I do my eccentrics on Saturday and I work on these, at some point during the week, that seems like a pretty strong combination to me. And eventually get that into full reps twice a week where I can lower all the way down, pop back up, and stand it up. Air quotes around that. But, yeah. I mean, this is a quicker video, because I couldn't do my full session today. I don't know how tomorrow's gonna look, to be honest. Um, yeah, I'm probably just gonna end up doing some more pull-ups, maybe some rows, and maybe some push-ups too. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Probably some lunges as well. I don't know how it's gonna go. Um, but yeah. Um, I don't think there's nothing else that's really on my mind right now. Um, I mean, that's about it. Have a good one.